Speak audibly, so you may be heard. Speak distinctly, so you may be understood. And speak with life and enthusiasm, so you may be pleased.
A stitch in time saves 9.
A stitch in time saves 9. This phrase is a subtle recommendation against procrastination, putting off doing something until later. Preventive maintenance, or spending a little time and effort to deal with a small problem immediately, will ensure against the need for major repairs later. As always, if you enjoyed this soundbite, please like, comment, share and subscribe. That's all from me today. Till the next time, bye for now.
And remember that good speech will be a great asset to you always. It is the mark of a cultured person and a well-developed personality.